Alright guys, so I'm at my parents' house because last week when I had left, my car was driving out of the way, or driving out to that stop sign, and as I was driving, the struts on the car went. Now, I thought it could be easily fixed. However, that's not the case, and it's no longer drivable. Not because of any accident, but because the struts blew out. Now, there is no point, like if you can see, it wasn't in any accident, but the struts basically blew out the tire, and trying to find a part of a replacement part, all that stuff, it's unusable. So we are going on a mission tomorrow and next week or so to find a new car. So this begins that journey. But we will have more videos in the future. About to do one now. So there will be more videos of 2026, but we have to get it. I have to get the car fixed, or I have to get a new car, and so that's why there might not be any traveling videos for a while. But we will return to it, and me and my dad have our trip to Washington DC in April, so you will be getting videos. But for right now, I'm going to join my mom, and I'll see you guys in a bit. As you can see around, it's starting to look a little bit more normal again. The snow is almost gone. So, we could be doing outside videos again. I'm still going to be doing videos while I'm here. That's not going to change. But, I will. Oh, see you guys in a minute. Are you telling me you would fish out of there for the, all the coins?
Heck yeah. Got over $1 sitting on the damn floor of the thing by the driver's side.
Ha! I'd probably have more than that.
I'm sure you did. No, you made some progress.
Oh yeah, I wanted to get it at least for the owner, or for wherever he's looking at it.
Yeah, but you still have to clean it though, like inside the...
Well, I know, but did I get all the trash out there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, it's still going to be a little bit.
Well, the thing is though, are they going to purchase it for just the parts or what?
Well, they're taking the whole thing.
You mean somebody's... You've already got a buyer?
No. I mean, like, they're taking it, like, for the parts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What is that thing in the sky?
Looked like the sun.
What is the sun?
I'm not quite sure anymore. Part of this gray.
Are we still in wintertime?
Yeah.
Damn it. Alright, so we still have Mom in the videos in 2026. Almost, oh wow, I just realized we're starting to head towards March.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still February, but
It's on the 18th right now. February
Yeah.
18th.
February 18th, 2026. But yeah, I can't wait to go.
It feels really warm, considering the bitter cold and snow that we had recently.
Yeah.
I'm not sick of this weather.
You're sick of the weather?
I am.
Well, like I said, no matter what happens, like, even if I have to wait till next week, I'll go looking for a vehicle.
He's been sleeping most of the afternoon.
Well, you come back from those kind of tires you out. I was tired for most of the day. But yeah,
I'm just curious, how did you get back and forth to park, or you didn't?
Courtney.
Oh, how nice! So you didn't have to lose that pay.
Yeah.
Oh, so that was nice of her.
I get paid this week.
Hey, I don't think you have any more Pepsi left.
Yeah, that's alright.
I do want it.
No, I mean, we're here.
Yeah.
We're going down, so.
No, I was just letting you know that neither Dad nor I have pot. So that's
Yeah.
one thing that we want to make sure we get.
Yeah, I think it said both of mine were ready. I mean, they'll probably have to fill it, but
Well, you know what? If we get down there early enough, you'll be able to pick it up.
yeah.
Because they close like at 7-ish.
Yeah, I know. So was a pain in the ass driving today?
Who?
Was it a pain in the ass driving today?
Yes. It was a major detour in Pittsburgh downtown. Real pain in the ass. And your dad was like, well, I didn't blame him. I was getting mad too.
You know, without the snow on the ground, I just realized it looks less, it looks more open. Because I've been so used to, like,
Seeing
the last
snow.
last couple weeks where it's just been snow, and now it's like it's weird seeing the open, you know, you have space again. We had it. It was like filled up for a long time.
Yeah. When we got hit with a big amount of snow.
Yeah, except for all you idiots out. No, I'm just kidding. Except for the West Coast. The West Coast is
Yeah, well,
didn't
they've
have
gotten
to do it.
hit more hard in other things in terms of the weather. You know, with all those hurricanes and that.
in
Texas
California.
and all that. No, I'm saying with Texas and everything.
Oh yeah, Texas gets it a lot. No, the West Coast gets hit. We got a Dunkin' Donuts now, right by us.
In Beaver Falls.
Right, no, it's in like New Brighton, but
Oh.
right before the bridge. But I don't know. Dunkin's okay. I like Max. I like D'Angelo's, but he went, after he passed, I guess no one took it in.
Orem's is the best.
Yeah.
Bar none.
Oh, I like Orem's.
Bar none. There's like, oh, come on. You know what? Are you fucking serious?
Alright.
Was there an accident?
I hope those guys are okay. Well,
I don't know.
I saw they moved the vehicles out.
Okay.
But I can't believe I caught it on camera. Oh, you know what I was sad about? It's gone.
What?
Remember that one place we did over there?
Yeah, it's been gone.
I was sad about that.
It's been gone. I said the same thing when I saw that it had been. Yeah, that's a shame.
Yeah.
Especially since she had such a long commute and everything like that, and it just wasn't.
Maybe they have it at their own place.
I don't know.
But I think that the
I meant to ask you, are you okay financially right now?
yeah, it's okay.
Are you sure? Because, I don't want to be responsible for you being in a bad way because
I have to take care of it.
No, I'm talking about with the groceries. Are you going to be able to help me?
Oh, you...
No, don't worry about it.
So it's later in the evening.
And we didn't have to buy any dog food or cat food since we were good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Just remember where the cart is at.
What?
Where we put the cart at.
You mean like in my purse?
No, the cart.
What?
I didn't want you to hit the cart.
Oh, shit. Okay. You have your medicine, babe?
Yeah.
All right. Do me a favor.
Huh.
Can you, roll that, can you just look for me?
Yeah, we're good.
I need to clean off my, thing. I need to clean off that, area where you can see the back.
Mm-hmm. You're good.
Am I good?
Yeah.
No, I was trying to get you stuff that will help you.
Oh, you forgot?
What? What?
Well, Dad didn't ask for cigarettes, did he? Well...
You know what? We'll stop on the way home. Him and his motherfucking cigarettes.
No. I didn't say that he said anything.
He'll probably be expecting me to get him.
Yeah.
He bitches about, groceries and stuff.
Hey, I gave you $30.
No, that's not what I'm talking about.
Look at the night sky. You know what would be cool? I'd always like to, if I ever lived in Montana,
Yeah.
to look up at the night sky.
I think your dad would like to go visit Montana.
He did already.
Yeah, he did with you.
Oh, you and Dad go to Montana.
Yeah, well, I don't know about that. That's pretty far.
Well, you guys are going to New England this year.
Well, if he is, you guys are going up to... Now, wait a minute. You guys are going to D.C. first,
Yeah,
right?
but you and... I'm going to be watching the animals when Dad goes to New England states.
Mm-hmm.
You should go. See New England. Oh, that's the car that
Yeah.
got messed up.
Police are probably getting
It's getting dark now.
Yeah, it is. I will carry some of the lighter bags in, so that you don't have to take much of a trip out there. Now the doggies still have food. I think we bought a 6-pack today.
Yeah, you did. That's what you said.
Well, I get paid tomorrow too, so that's why I'm not too worried about it. And it's a check, so it won't be cashed until Friday.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if not later. It takes them a while to do their have them clear.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, and I get paid tomorrow, so it's no big deal.
That's good. I like the look that the camera has at night. Or like right at dusk.
At dusk, you mean?
Yeah, it's like the perfect mode.
Okay, you got your medicine, right?
Yeah.
Did you put it in the bag?
Mm-hmm.
Now, what was that for?
My Vyvanse.
Oh, your Vyvanse. Jesus, it's a good thing you have that on hand now.
You see
Does it
the
help you?
Mm-hmm. Have you ever seen the water tower before?
No, I'm not going anywhere.
No. When you get up here, make a right.
Where? No, I'm not doing
No,
that right
make a
now.
right.
It's in the fucking dark.
No, right here.
Why?
Because it's right here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I wanted to show the water tower.
Is it up higher?
It's 2nd Street. And then you turn left right here.
Right here?
Uh-huh. Right there.
Yeah, those two right there?
Yeah. It's the water tower of the Hopewell.
It's hard to believe that that's... well, no, those are pretty big.
Yeah. I don't know when I've shown it last.
Well, take it slow through. Oh, man. I didn't realize how enormous those were.
Yeah, hold on. No, just, you don't have to move. Oh, that works out in the sun. One of these days this week I'm gonna go back to it.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did. The water tower.
And they're in somebody's backyard.
Yeah.
I ain't got a bitch.
What do you
Okay.
mean? They
Can I
just
just
go
get
back.
down this way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Goes back out on Broadhead Road. Look right there.
Lord Jesus, that's a lot of water in there. I wonder
Yeah.
how many gallons are in that stuff.
And it is in someone's backyard.
No shit.
Yeah. Oh, that looks cool right there. That. Oh, we should stop at that one place.
Oh, you mean,
Yeah, to get that. I don't know. I find them fascinating.
what?
The water towers.
Well, they're huge. I didn't realize how big they are.
They have one in Morrisville.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, they had one in Morrisville. I actually went to that one.
Did we need to get Daddy cigarettes?
Yeah, that was what I was saying.
Fuck!
Mom. Yeah, but I told you that's what I was saying when we stopped.
Alright. Well, they're open until 7, so we'll do it now. No, John, you don't.
Night sky. It's dark. I'm gonna mess with Mom. Hey, Mom. You forgot to get cigarettes.
No, I didn't. You know I didn't. You know I got the cigarettes. Because I got them over there.
Ha 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 ha.
This road is not even a road. It's horrible.
I know. Well, from what I've heard, from what happened, a lot of the snow and salt
Have been eroding the tires.
Yeah,
You were saying.
like a lot of people have been having that problem. But I think that's more to do with winter.
Yeah. The salt.
Yeah.
Plus, they use a very cheap blend of stuff to fill it, and it goes very rapidly. Other people said the same thing.
Really?
Yeah. The guy that owns it lives in Florida, and he doesn't give a shit
Why does he live in Florida?
because he can afford it.
No, I mean
So
like
he doesn't have to deal with people up here.
yeah, but if you own something, you should.
Try and take care of it.
I don't know. I mean, I can't blame him for wanting to live in Florida.
I wonder if the animals have been fed yet. Did you see whether or not they were fed?
You were saying earlier they were fed.
Oh, yeah, that's right, because he was wanting to make sure. Yeah, they were fed.
Yeah.